Hello, I'm Sweet Fruit, and today video we are talking with you about supplements and vitamins which you should never consume, except of this situation when doctors specially give you for this advice, permission. And we started with vitamin E. Vitamin E is one of the most popular antioxidant which should not be taken just for heck of it. Unless you have a reason to have vitamin D, to take a vitamin D, you shouldn't be taking it as a random supplement. And we used to think it was good to take because it's an antioxidant, but actually it turns out that the risk is higher than the benefit. Number 2 is kava. This plant extract is one supplement that shouldn't never cross your lips. Kava, which people have taken to help them with sleep, can cause a liver failure. And good doctor, tell patients it's not safe to take overly. Number 3 is tryptophan. Tryptophan is also something you can take to help you sleep, but it's linked to a disorder that's called EMS, which is neurological conditions that includes fatigue, intense muscle pain, and nerve pain. Tryptophan is naturally present in small amount in food, such as turkey and milk, and that's not a problem, but you shouldn't take a tryptophan supplement. Biotin, number 4. This hair and nail supplement is available in very high doses, but we recommend this supplement not take above 1 milligram, 1000 mcg daily. There is an only study showed that men in particular had an increased risk of lungs cancer if they were taking megadoses of biotins 5 mg to 10 mg daily. That risk wasn't associated with a 1 mg daily doses. About antidepressants, several years ago was studied about antidepressants which shouldn't be taken by you without medical control. About multivitamins. Let's talk about multivitamins. This is like 50-50 about positive and negative benefits. If you're like everybody else in the whole wide world and you don't eat a perfect diet every day, and if you're okay paying money for something that you are mostly going to pee out, but it's going to fill in those teeny little, then take a multivitamins. I do. I'm okay with that. And now I will tell you the most important vitamin you should take. And this recommendation is about vitamin D, which you need to take minimum 2000 IU of vitamin D daily. Medical evidence suggested it can support the immune system, particularly important in the age of COVID. So, consult with your doctor about taking some vitamins and supplements you need, especially you, to get through that pandemic at your healthiest period of time, don't miss next video.